What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to Zacchy Crypto Update, your unfiltered dive into the hottest trends and the real data driving the crypto market. Today we're talking about something absolutely wild that's got everyone buzzing, Pepe Coin. You've seen the headlines, you've seen the pump, but are you seeing the full picture? A single social media post from a major political figure just sent Pepe soaring. But is this a genuine surge, or are we witnessing the classic meme coin FOMO trap? Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly what happened, the key metrics you need to understand, and whether you should even think about touching this one. You won't want to miss the crucial whale activity analysis coming up. It could determine your next move. Alright, let's cut straight to the chase. Why is Pepe Coin, the frog-themed meme coin, absolutely blowing up right now? It all boils down to one highly influential individual, President Donald Trump. Just yesterday, President Trump shared a post on his Truth Social platform, and what did sharp-eyed crypto enthusiasts immediately spot? A subtle yet undeniable Pepe meme lurking in the background of his graphic. This wasn't a direct endorsement, mind you, but in the highly speculative world of meme coins, implication is everything. The community, as you'd expect, went absolutely wild. Rumors immediately started swirling across social media that Trump was implicitly endorsing Pepe Coin. And just like that, within hours, Pepe's price surged by a staggering 7%, with its daily trading volume skyrocketing to an insane $1.63 billion. It's the sheer power of narrative and perceived association playing out in real time. Now, is this a mere coincidence? Well, President Trump has shown a personal interest in meme coins before, even launching his own Trump coin earlier this year and hosting exclusive dinners for its holders. So the idea of him trolling or subtly acknowledging the meme coin space isn't entirely out of character. This history adds fuel to the fire of speculation surrounding this Pepe pump. Beyond the social media frenzy, let's look at the actual numbers. Pepe's rally wasn't just a flash in the pan, it's part of a larger trend. Over the past month, Pepe has seen a 60% plus surge, and with this latest pump, it's now retesting a critical resistance level at $0.000016. This isn't just arbitrary, it's a key level that could define its short-term future. Today's pump, although only 5% after the initial spike, is backed by a significant 37% increase in daily trading volume, pushing it past $1.63 billion. This tells us there's genuine interest and capital flowing in, not just a few large orders. And its market cap? It's now officially crossed the $6 billion mark. These are serious numbers for a meme coin. But here's a crucial on-chain metric often overlooked by many Pepe futures open interest. CoinGlass data shows this is up a whopping 11% to $667 million. What does that tell us? It means more capital is locked into Pepe derivatives, indicating increased leveraged bets and a higher speculative interest. This can fuel pumps, but it also creates potential for massive liquidations on sharp pullbacks. High open interest usually signals volatility ahead. Even prominent crypto influencers like Evan Luthra are tweeting about it, pondering if this is a glitch or something big upcoming. This widespread attention amplifies the FOMO and draws in more retail participants, pushing the price further. Now let's peel back another layer and look at the smart money, the whales. It's not just Trump's post driving this. There's been a noticeable increase in whale activity around Pepe. Just last week we saw some massive movements. Specifically, several whale entities transferred over 2 trillion Pepe tokens from the Bybit exchange to unknown wallets. What does that mean? When large amounts of tokens move off exchanges, it often signals an intention to hold for the long term or potentially engage in OTC deals, suggesting strong underlying demand. However, we also have to remember the recent saga of crypto trader James Wynn, who initiated a massive 10 times leveraged long bet on Pepe, only to fold it soon after with no major profit. This trader famously made $87 million last month but lost it all last week. This is a stark reminder of the extreme volatility and risk, especially with leveraged positions on meme coins. Whales can make or break these rallies. The combination of retail FOMO, the Trump narrative, and confirmed whale accumulation suggests that while the initial spark might have been Trump's post, there's underlying demand that existed, and this news just ignited it. It points to persistent interest in Pepe. So the million-dollar question, is this Pepe surge sustainable? Will it break through that $0.000016 resistance and continue its parabolic run, or is it a classic sell the news event about to unfold? If Pepe can definitively flip that $0.000016 resistance into support, especially with continued strong volume and further whale accumulation, we could see a push towards new all-time highs. The current open interest indicates a lot of bullish conviction in the derivatives market. However, be wary of overheated funding rates, which can lead to quick liquidations. It's very common for assets that experience a rapid pump on news to consolidate or retrace slightly afterward. A healthy retest of previous support levels, perhaps around 0.000014 or 0.000013, would be a normal and even healthy development before any further upward movement. This would shake out weak hands and allow the market to find a new equilibrium. The risk with meme coins and news-driven pumps is always a swift reversal. If the Trump endorsement narrative loses steam, or if whales start distributing their holdings, or if the broader crypto market pulls back, Pepe could see a significant correction. The higher the leverage in the futures market, the harder the fall can be. This is not the time to be reckless. Meme coins, by their very nature, are highly volatile and speculative. They lack fundamental utility, meaning their price is driven almost entirely by sentiment and hype. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is a powerful emotion, but it can lead to devastating losses. Always, and I mean always, consider proper position sizing, stop losses, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. This market is a casino for some, but for savvy investors it's about calculated risk. So, to recap, Pepe Coin's latest pump is undeniably tied to the Trump effect, amplified by strong trading volumes and whale accumulation. The critical resistance at $0.000016 is the immediate battleground, and how Pepe reacts there will dictate its short-term trajectory. Will it break out, consolidate, or see a sharp correction? We'll be watching it closely here on Zacchy Crypto Update. What do you think? Is this the real deal for Pepe, or is it just a fleeting moment of presidential hype? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you got valuable insights from this breakdown, please smash that like button, share this video, and if you're new here, subscribe to Zacchy Crypto Update and hit that notification bell so you never miss my next market analysis. Remember this, fam. In crypto, information is your most valuable asset. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins like Pepe, carries an extremely high level of risk, and you can lose your entire investment. Always conduct your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a solicitation to buy or sell any crypto assets.